Welcome to All About. Today we're going to talk about BV19. It is one of those markers that has blue and violet. So we're going to follow the family recipe, and we're also going to do a bonus combination that is going to be going more to the violet kind of tone. I'm Elena with violetaink.com, and we carry Copic Markers in the sketch series, ink refills, and nib replacements. Thanks. We're starting with BV29. This is a very dark blue violet. And then it's BV25 and BV23. It gives it a very serious look. We're using YR24. On top of it, BV29. Don't worry, it won't look weird to have so many colors from different families. The yellows, the reds, the blue, the violet. It will work. You will see how it desaturates it very nicely. So for the bonus combination is BV29, BV17, and BV11. This is a little bit more happy kind of look. Like I said before, the natural family combination is more serious. This one is more like for flowers. Now for the staining test, any of the markers that have two letters in the beginning, that means that it's a combination of those two inks. So it will be difficult to move it, to erase it, to make it lighter. So as you can see, it's already turning blue. Praise my color pen so much. This one is like perfect. PC 132 dioxazine. I think that's how you pronounce it. If it's not, then let me know. Purple hue. If you're like me and like the details of every single one of your markers, yeah, there's more people like me out there. Anyway, you will love the new blog by Amy Scholke. It's called Uncapped, and it's in her website, markernovice.com. It gives you the underpaint, how it fades, the complement, how it looks on layers. It's a beautiful graphic too that you can save, you can pin it or whatever you prefer. I recommend it highly. Go to the description box, it's right there. You will love it. If you are interested in the paper that I use here, it's Curious Metallic Iridescent Cryogen. And you will find again the link in the description box, the papers, the markers, and also the template to swatch. You can do your swatching and let me know how it works. Which markers do you like? How are you being adventurous, trying new combinations? I would love to see them. You can always tag us in our social media. So we started coloring the butterfly. This is the natural family combination. The one on top, the wing that is on top, is always the natural family combination without the underpaint. I want you to see how all of it looks together. The bottom one is already underpainted with YR24, and then we added BV29, BV25, and BV23. This is the bonus combination. This is BV29. Again, we're not underpainting the top wings. On top of it, it's gonna be slower BV17. Remember the speed. The first marker, in this case BV29, is the fastest. BV17 is medium speed, and then BV11, slow. So just about in a few seconds, that's when I realized there's a mistake here. I made a big mistake. I'm thinking a thing. Yeah, there. That's when I realized that happened. So I am gonna finish this butterfly. If you know what I did wrong, comment on the description box. Anyway, that was YR24, then BV29, BV17, and BV11. 11 is gonna go slowest. look at all the wings and tell me, where do you see the mistake? Because I couldn't let it go, so I had to redo it. So let's review speed. So BV29. This is the darkest that we are using. This is for the natural family combination and is the slowest. The second one, BV25, is going to be medium speed. The last one is BV23, and that is going to be the slowest. The more ink you deposit into the paper, the better the chemical reaction is going to happen. Now we're going to underpaint. YR24. I promise I do clean my markers every time that I use them. I clean them, and then every time I show them, they're all dirty. Anyway, this is BV29, BV25, and then BV23. Underpainting desaturates the color that you're underpainting. So we always use the complement for it. And then I'm just putting more ink. This is for the bonus combination. It's more on the lilac kind of end of it. This is BV29, BV17, and then BV11. Don't forget to subscribe. I believe we are, by the time you see this video, we are already at the 1,000 members. That means that I can do a live and answer all your questions about how I choose what marker to underpaint with. So if you have any questions that would be good to answer in this live, I would like to be prepared for it. So please put them in the description box so I can start making a list of what things to talk about. If not, we're gonna talk for 5 minutes and then it's done. I underpainted with YR24, and I know that the Ys are kind of like a wimpy colors, but it will desaturate this very, very strong BV29. That was BV29. This one is BV17. And now BV11. This video is going to be longer than usual just because of the mistake. And I wanted you to see how slow I actually color. So this is the natural family combination, BV29, BV25, and BV23. We underpainted with YR24. And then on top of it, of course, for the underpainting is going to be BV29, BV25, and BV23. The bonus combination has BV29, BV17, and BV11. I always mean to say the underpainting color first, because I want you to know that every single time that I use the bonus combination, I am going to be underpainting. Anyway, that was all. That was a lot today. Don't forget to subscribe. All the links are in the description box so you can get more information about all the markers that you might have questions on. Thank you. Bye.